Namaskar. Hello. Good morning. My name is Madan Mandari from Biswajyoti. Today I am going to teach online class for class 10 science unit 1 force. What is force? Force is an external agent. Force is an external agent which change or tends to change the position of an object or tends to rest to motion or motion to rest, or the pulling and pushing factor, or the pulling and pushing factor is also known as force. Its SI unit is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. CGS unit is dyne. We have already discussed about the different types of force in previous class. Today only discuss about the gravitational force. What do you mean by gravitation or gravitational force? The mutual force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe is known as gravitational force. The mutual force of attraction between two heavenly bodies in the universe is known as gravitational force. Its SI unit also Newton. Its SI unit is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. And Sir Isaac Newton is propounded by the gravitational force. He was the first person propounded by the gravitational force. Different factors gravitational force depends upon different factors. These factors are product of their masses and distance between their center. Gravitational force depends upon two factors. Number one, product of their masses, and number two, distance between their center. If the gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. If the masses is increases, gravitational force also increases. That relation is directly proportional. If the masses increases, gravitational force also increases. That means increase to increase or decrease to decrease. That relation is directly proportional. And gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance at their center. If the distance decreases, gravitational force is increases. If the distance is increases, gravitational force is decreases. That relation is inversely proportional. These factors are affected by the gravitational force. Variation of gravitational force with mass and distance. Or relation between the gravitational force with mass and distance. Newton's universal law of gravitation. State Newton's universal law of gravitation. The mutual force of attraction between two heavenly bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. That state the Newton's universal law of gravitation. Gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Here proof F equal to G m1 m2 upon d square. F equal to G m1 m2 upon d square. First of all, we state the Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's universal law of gravitation. First of all, here states Newton's universal law of gravitation. Newton's universal law of gravitation. There are two objects or two heavenly bodies. One body is the body of a one body or one object is a, that mass is m1, that mass is m1, or one heavenly body, that mass is m1, or another heavenly body is that is b, or that mass is m2. Distance between the two heavenly bodies, distance between the two heavenly bodies at their center, that distance is d, and produce the gravitational force F. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, according to our let m1 means mass of one body, or m2 means mass of another body, and d means distance between them, and F means gravitational force, We know that according to Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation means that the two heavenly bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance at their center. According to Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational force is directly, according to Newton's law of gravitation, F equal to according to Newton's law of gravitation, F proportional m1 m2, that equation 1. Gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance at their center. That is the equation 2. Solving the equation INII, F proportional m1 m2 upon d square, or F equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. G means constant, it also called the universal gravitational constant, where G is constant, it also called universal gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 nm square per kg square. Universal gravitational constant does not depend upon the mass and distance. It remains constant. It does not affected by any pressure, temperature, atmosphere, distance, masses. It remains constant. It is constant in every universe. Its value is constant in every universe. Therefore F equal to G m1 m2 upon d square. That is the proof Newton's law of gravitation. What do you mean by universal gravitational constant or capital G? Already mentioned here, the mutual force of attraction between two heavenly bodies, each of unit masses, separated by unit distance apart from their center. That is the definition of universal gravitational constant or capital G. Capital G, the mutual force of attraction between two heavenly bodies, each of unit masses, separated by unit distance apart from their center. Its value is 6.67 into 10 को power minus 11 nm square per kg square. Nm square per kg square. It also called the universal law. It also called the universal law. Newton's universal. It also called the universal law because it is applicable for whole universe, or it is true throughout the universe. Newton's law also called the Newton's universal law also called the. It is also called the universal law because it is accepted or it is applicable for whole universe. It is true throughout the universe. And variation, or in which condition or relation between gravitational force and gravitational constant. Relation between gravitational force or gravitational constant. Or in which condition gravitational force and gravitational constant is equal. In which condition gravitational force and gravitational or universal gravitational. In which condition gravitational force and universal gravitational constant is equal. Or F equal to G. In which condition the mutual force of attraction between two heavenly bodies, each of unit masses, separated by unit distance apart from their center. In that condition, gravitational force and gravitational constant is equal, or F equal to G. F equal to, in mathematical term, M1 equal to 1 kg unit masses, M2 also 1 kg, and distance is unit distance apart from their center. Unit distance means 1 meter. We know that. According to Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation, F equal to G M1 M2 upon D square. F equal to G M1 M2 upon D square. F equal to G, M1 means how many here? 1 kg. They are unit masses. 1, M2 also 1, distance also 1 square. F equal to G into 1, G 1 square 1. Therefore, F equal to G. In that condition, gravitational force and gravitational constant is equal. Thank you. This much. र विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हजुरहरूलाई मैले यसको केही होमवर्कहरू मैले फेसबुक मार्फत हजुरहरूलाई पोस्ट गर्नेछु। त्यो पोस्ट गरेको हजुरहरूले सल्भ गरेर फेसबुक मार्फत वा हाम्रो वेबसाइटमा हजुरहरूले पोस्ट गर्नु होला। हस्त नमस्कार।